Alright, what's up everybody? It's Kalen Moss, aka the MinuteAdmin here, and in this video we're going to start off with the trailhead modules and trails you should get started with if you're brand new to Salesforce. Now, I will say this, before you watch this video, make sure you look at the route you want to go in Salesforce. So, we looked at the different career paths in a previous video. Make sure to go ahead and click the link to that video. It should be popping up here. But basically, go ahead and determine which career looks right for you. Did you choose the Salesforce administrator, developer, architect, marketer, business analyst, sales career? Which one did you choose? So that's going to determine which modules and which trails you start working on first, because you don't have to be a Salesforce admin when you first start off in the Salesforce ecosystem. You could be a Marketing Cloud email specialist, you could be a CPQ specialist, you could be a Pardot specialist, you could be whatever you want to do. You have to choose the ideal career path that looks right for you. But I'm going to give you like 3 basic beginner modules and trails to really get started on so you can kind of see what each one has in store for you. So let's just say you chose the Salesforce administrator path. Let's click that one first and see what that has in store. So I'm going to go to the Learn tab here, click on this Trails right here, and open that up in a new tab. And I'm going to click on your role as admin, your level, beginner, since you're a beginner here. And we're going to click on this admin beginner trail. So this is the first trail that you should do if you are brand new to the Salesforce ecosystem and you want to do the Salesforce admin path. So if somebody told you about Salesforce admin, this is the path you need to get started on. Now, if you already passed this, then maybe go to the admin intermediate trail and click on that admin intermediate trail here and start doing this one. There's also an admin advanced trail that you can do right here. So if you really want to go the admin route, you can do the admin beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about what each one of these trails holds. Links will be in the description below to show you, basically to take you directly to these trails here. Now, let's say you didn't want to do admin. Let's say you wanted to do Marketing Cloud from the jump. Well, what you could do, you're going to have to kind of go through this a little bit different. I would go to the Credentials tab, go to Certifications here, and then choose on your role, like which path you want to go, and choose Salesforce Marketer. And then choose the Marketing Cloud Email Specialist cert. This is the cert I always tell people to get first if you're doing Marketing Cloud. I teach Marketing Cloud. I have a full course on Marketing Cloud. And basically that's what I have done for a long, long time. I've also done Salesforce Sales Cloud, so the Salesforce admin side. But I really like the Marketing Cloud side of things a lot. And I focus a lot of time on that. So if you're interested in a course on that, it's absolutely free. You can click the link in the description below and check out that course, take it, and learn all about Marketing Cloud. But basically, if you wanted to choose the Marketing Cloud path, you would go to the Marketing Cloud Email Specialist certification, open that up, and then click on this trail mix to prepare for your Marketing Cloud Email Specialist credential. So you click that trail mix, and you could start on this trail mix right here to learn Marketing Cloud. Let's just say that you wanted to do something else, and let's say you wanted to be a Salesforce developer. You could click on Salesforce Developer, and you could learn how to become a Marketing Cloud developer, Omni Studio, Platform App Builder, Platform Developer 1 or 2. You could do that, or you could go over to this Learn tab again, click on Trails, and click on the Developer role, and then Beginner right here. And you could learn where's this one at? Developer Beginner Trail right here. You could also click on Developer Intermediate as your level of skill right here. And you could find right here, Developer Intermediate Trail. And you could start doing Developer Beginner and Developer Intermediate. All this stuff is absolutely free. So there's really no reason you can't do this. You can just go ahead and start on this. And you've already created an account. You just need to go ahead and click into the units to get started with basically whatever path you want to choose here. So if you're stuck and you don't know how to find let's say you chose a career path for something else. Let's say you decided to do sales careers and you don't know how to find that. I would just say go over to Learn and click on Trails right here. And then just scroll down your role right here. So you can scroll this and you see sales right here. and then you can just basically do your trails right here. I would just recommend that you go and do stuff like that. If you wanted to do more of like a business analyst, you could click on business analyst role, click around in there. But your main place to go and find these different trails is going to be on this Learn tab, and you're going to click on either trails or you're going to click on the modules you want to do and things like that. That's how you navigate and find the exact set of modules, units, trails that you want to do depending on the career path you want to take. So hopefully that helped. If this video did help, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will come back and I will also show you what these things called super badges are, so you're comfortable with these different projects that you can do inside the Salesforce ecosystem. So with that being said, MinuteAdmin out.